Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see that if you want to change the default website on Google Chrome and you want to set it to, let's say, Yahoo Mail, so how we can do this. So I'll go to this three dots on the top right corner, and from here I can select settings, and from here I'll click on startup, and from here you can specify your account. So I'll select open a specific page or set of pages. I'll click on add a new page, and I'll write here www.yahoo.com, let's say, and click on add. So this is how you can set it. Now if I go back, close this, and I want to open the Chrome here again, you can see that Yahoo is my default browser. So that's it guys, this is how you can set a default page in Google Chrome. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.